Ki Pulit ke Jelah nian ke Janmiet ki la Mudui Tylli ki Ejahar halai mukra bat Sardar Police Station. Halor ke Jingshah Shoh ki Riewpaidbah ki ba Iaid hala ke lenti hakapor ba Iaid rally. Usimbut Menteri Rangba ke Jelah ba Preston Tensong hanin kesngi ula ong ba ke Sarkar Jelah kala aibor haki Pulit ban shim ki kendon katkum ki sakhi bala yo de ki Pulit bat Halor kane ke Sarkar bat ketenat Pulit kin sale ya ke badan kam. Ubak Preston ula ong ya kane hadin belami ke Jingshah Shoh ki Riewpaidbah ki baken top ya ki nong pathai khubor bat ki kali hakarali kerdo kam ke bala penyai da keseng FKJ GP. Hagajuk kapor ke Deputy Commissioner ke labatha ke bor Pulit ban shim khia bat le ya ke badan kam ya ki badan kti ha ketika kampen mensaw ya ki Riewpaidbah bat ya ki nongnya arshaka.
See, you can have peace rally meeting or whatever you want. It is okay, whatever. But please don't create law and order. And the message is very clear. I would request all the leaders of FKGP or any other NGOs, leaders, you can have your meeting. No, there's no doubt with it. But at the same time, please control your members or your volunteers, whatever, because we don't want to see any law and order in the state of Meghalaya. The system is what? We authorize the police authority to take necessary steps, whatever required to be done. So we have already authorized. I've already spoken also personally to the police authority, and now they are on the job.
Usimbut Menteri Rangba ke Jelah bat badai